clear. Looking low, inside, got a spin here, back it down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Did the one brake. Outside 51, outside. You and him, pass back to the floor on the bottom with you. Try to pack some air. 51 still out there. Middle 3.
11 went to the garage.
Yeah, so he must have had a lot of damage to the splitter.
So middle 3, check up. Check up. Check up, come on. Let it roll up, check up.
Oh, there's the
Right
damage
there,
to the
yeah.
11 in the right front.
Just dug in.
I'm not so sure anybody made it through this.
Half, he's to him.
There's our forward onboard.
Keep coming low, come on low, keep coming outside. Coming, Coffins out, come on low, come on.
I think he was going to be okay until Cole Custer bounced off the wall into him.
Look to your left, clear. After right here, back it down.
When you hear a driver say, his hands off the wheel, when you hear a driver say he had nowhere to go,
We got damage.
There's
We definitely got damage.
nothing he could have
Onboard here with Dylan Hart Jr. Hear him out the gas.
Check it up.
Just nowhere to go. He drives through the accident, but a lot of damage to the nose.
Still there. Stick to the right. Caution down. Back it down. Go to the apron here if you can. All the way to the apron.
From the 19 of Hemrick.
Go up high, go low. Back it down, go high.
We're hearing that maybe the 07
They're
of
outside.
Cody Ware got him from behind. Heard that hit late. I looked up, might have been William Byron. That
Keep it rolling. Track is clear. Keep it rolling. Straight back, looking inside tight. We got wrecked hard right here. That
was the contact Eric Jones felt.
Hold it.
that noise, that sound, that impact.
Here's Cody Coughlin right along. Listen. I think there was definitely some contact from the back. Then he was along for the ride, got into these.
You got to have some sort of
right up ahead, right in the middle.
Bam! Wow. Gosh, that was hard hit.
He almost missed it.
Hold your line.
Pretty tough when somebody cuts a tire right in the middle.
With Cameron Haley.
That was his teammate Rico that got into him and turned him around. He tried to get it going really quick, and he's going to get hit pretty hard here by the 11 of Brett Moffitt.
90 miles per hour right here at this part of the racetrack.
She's going by Casey here, making the pass, and man, he just clips her in the right rear and turns her into the fence.
Oh.
We're on board with Jamie McMurray. You see him just solid into that small movement. He just couldn't save it. Hard impact, and look at the multiple impacts. Another shot. 3 big hits for Jamie McMurray. Gets his hands off the wheels, so as the wheel goes left and right.
Wow. Cole Custer just barely got by Suarez.
Big shot.
Oh. Nobody in front. Spinning in front of you. We got it, guys.
Oh, 22 come back.
Yeah.
Back to the 22. Coming to your bumper. Protect. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right.
This is another onboard right here. Nowhere to go, a heavy impact.
Hold it right there.
That hurts. You see him holding his left
Have
arm.
to deal with to win this race later tonight.
And you may have to as yet. It's there's just not a lot of rubber down there, and he was trying to go after it a little bit. Just a case.
In and out.
Watch his hands.
In and out.
I think he was just in an awkward
Spin it,
position.
guys.
Yeah, it was like the air from the car on the inside was pushing him wide. Then the car on the outside. When the car gets the right rear quarter panel.
All clear right there. Single file to the 44. One back. 27 minutes smoke here.
The red flag now out. 73.
Gasses it up, just gets too loose here, watch.
Right into Brandon Brown.
And then that was William Byron, the second pounce.
And here's where it gets interesting. Yeah, and Eric Jones was just loose from the very beginning getting down into that corner. Ty Dillon didn't do anything to really force that. It was just a matter that Jones got...
Here it is for the 24. See the contact there, he lifts, just collected from behind.
We're spinning. In the
Took his hand off the steering wheel, smart move. See those impacts.
And then drove him forward.
Easy, get middle.
You could tell right there that the 2 saw the 19 coming up and was wanting to check up, and the 13 got into the back of him, and the whole line started stacking
That's
back
what it
up.
looked like.
Stand with the 1, don't let him flip to the outside. Staying with him, trail up.
Lights out.
All they can do is a wreck. 3 wide bottom, 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 3 wide. Okay. And outside.
Ouch. Big impact.
Up there. Got cleaned out by the 47. Hold the brake here, man.
Those are some hard licks, Mike.
Yep.
Boy, that's such a big impact.
On board here with Reddick.
41 inside. Hang on to it. Lock it down.
Couple hard
You
hits.
mentioned the 44. You hear him out of the gas, on the brakes.
Go low.
Absolutely nowhere to go. You see his view, a car on his windshield.
All right. Rolling good. Your outside lane's rolling really good. Rolling just fine. Up here. Check it up. Go low. High. Come on, high. Keep coming. Go. High.
Ooh, that's a big impact right there. You could hear it
Keep
and
rolling there
see
if you
it.
can, buddy.
And this is one of them.
2 in front of her. Check up.
Oh,
Gosh.
Let's ride with Ryan Blaney
he
in the
might
Wood
be
Brothers car.
okay. I think Hamlin, and we'll have to see
Straight right there.
if there's any damage to the splitter.
Right here.
2 outside.
Gets up the racetrack, got a little bit loose, had to chase up the racetrack, made a little bit of contact. That started this whole incident.
You see him bring his
With Justin Allgaier.
Inside here. Hold your line. Shit.
He did a heck of a job trying to save that
He
thing.
did all he could do.
Low. Outside still the 2 on you tight. The 5's coming to you.
I think when that 2 went by, it just swung him around.
I tell you, DW is a combination. The 2 is on the outside of him.
Back 42, turn it back air.
Kind of hear those tires break loose on the Carl's car.
You know what else I saw there? The 41 about got in the wall.
About 10 back. So watch that right in front of you there. Keep digging. You're all clear. Hold on to it.
Bumper, he's still going to be there. He doesn't have help though. 3's going to get to him though. You're going to keep slow on the corner here. Here they come. Here comes the 3 at your bumper. Looking in there, the 3. Keep coming, buddies. Hold the brake here. Straight it out. Caution will be out here. Hold the brake here.
And the
Sorry
favorite.
about that, guys.
Jeff, that is so violent. What does that feel like as a driver when you're going nearly 100?
You can see Tony's in a vulnerable position right in the middle. Then Larson gets his outside. Here's 17 to the inside. He gets loose right there.
Oh, man.
I mean, he was going to touch the... He was probably going to touch the wall slightly, but keep it going straight. Danica had nowhere to go. They make contact.
There he goes. Go around, and then the contact there.
We just got caught in the right rear. We made it through it, but then we got clipped in the right rear. Going to come to you with right side damage, guys.
Repaired it. And Carl Edwards in the 19 had damage from the last caution.
Whoa, man. He had a tire go down or some kind of a failure there.
Yeah, right front. Looked like he had some damage on the right front from that wreck back there.
You all right?
Up the hill it went.
I mean, poor Junior just can't catch a break here
today.
There
wasn't enough room for all three of them. They were 3 wide, actually.
Well, he drove.
Middle.
Those Joe Gibbs cars.
Keep rolling there.
Tiff hit a ton right there.
Nothing out front. Say hi, say hi. One on your bumper here, you're clear all the way down. Stay down, easy.
Now, he actually got out of the gas. He saw Larson get loose, and when he got out of the gas, the back of his car turned sideways, and it just sent him right into
I'm pretty sure he thought that.
It was not Kyle Busch's fault. It was Keselowski's fault.
Quarter, nose. Inside.
You're absolutely right.
Because
I put myself in both of those positions.
Yes, that's racing, man.
And if I'm on the 22's crew,
Green flag. All rolling. Second out, check it. Go low. Hold your line.
And then he gets pile driven from behind.
He almost got through it. You could hear him kind of throttling through it.
And he's... I'm not sure why he was maintaining that speed, because he needed to come to pit road regardless right there. I don't know.
Still there, sure. Might be able to beat him up the corner here.
Well, he's going to lose laps here to get to the pits, get that tire changed, but he's only
rode as hard as he could, because that's what he's going to have to do tomorrow.
This from our 360 camera, courtesy of DC Solar, and there he goes around.
Such a helpless feeling. And
Brian coming to pit road.
Entering pit road. Here's a look.
Oh, he's wheel hopping. Yeah, he wheel hopped. We saw this happen with Denny Hamlin last week and Trevor Bayne at Martinsville.
All clear.
Onboard again with Hornish.
Real easy here. Just watch him here.
And there's
Caution's
Yaley.
Caution's out. Second line, Kale. He's coming.
That's where Yaley crunched into Priest. And that is how Sam got around with contact from Brennan Poole.
Straight on. Caution's out. Caution is out.
Made the car so good tonight, Chase.
I really don't know. I think we kind of took what we had here in February, tried to rethink some of the things we had going on. We made our car drive a lot better tonight.
Inside.
You could just hear it laying down on the splitter.
I heard you saw rubber flying up off the thing.
Clear right.
Oh. I don't know. I'm going to put more of that on Kenny there. He was.
You kind of have to know it. You see they're up the racetrack right here already, and big impact. A lot of damage. But listen,
onboard here, we're going to see how quick the 70.
I think the 70 had a left front that had contact. Was that Kyle Busch he had contact with?
Possibly.
Contact in the.
Ride along with Chris Buescher. What a ride he had.
Easy. Coming back up. Low. Easy. We got in it, but we're still rolling, guys. Be ready.
There's Hemrick trying to get by.
Reddick was running 4th at the time, and Gralla was 5th.
Boy, does a really nice
Bottom
job.
of the racetrack. Didn't have enough room. Look how low he is getting in his corner, Martin Truex.
I think that car was...
Tight on you. Hang on to it. Gas it. Come on with it. Come on. You're all right.
Amazing he didn't hit him.
Down in there, make it 3 wide. That didn't work. Now he's just stuck. He can't get off of Cole Custer.
He was trying to get away from him, but they made hard contact, he and Travis Quapple.
It'd be interesting to see the damage that Custer's truck took in that confrontation as well, but certainly...
It stops again, right back to the pit crews with 16 laps of their tires. All the leaders will be coming to pit road, and here they turn off the banking in 3 and 4. They're entering the pit road.
88 gave him a lot of room. 88's really loose. That gave Kyle a chance to get a run.
Outside, corner.
From that angle...
Hang on to her.
The thumbs on those spokes, it can break your hand, break your thumbs.
Outside coverage, watch the 3, get middle.
Mentioned damage on the 18. I didn't realize he hit the 24 that hard, but they're definitely going to warn my driver for trying to carry the momentum off the top. And if I am on the Kyle Busch crew, I'm proud of my driver trying to close the door.
And with all of Sam's adventures that we chronicled, he's back inside the top 10 now.
Got a couple of cars in.
You feel the hits that Jones took.
Oh, you see.
And that's a difference.
Here, guys.
Yeah, difference a year makes.
Let's watch this view.
You coming to wreck it, back it up, back it out.
Wow, he had to turn hard left.